All right. Be careful. Grab. You're gonna grab that.
And put it in here.
Well, bring it to the main table.
Okay.
Big table.
The island. Sorry. Okay.
All right.
There.
Now.
Dump it.
Yep. Dump it.
Oh, came out so good.
Okay. Now don't put that there. Put it back on the. Now get your coloring.
I'm gonna get my coloring.
Get your coloring.
It didn't work in the water, so we have to do it on here.
That's good. That's good. That's good.
I told you so.
That's good. Now, grab your spatula over there.
What spatula?
The red one.
There's no spatula except for this.
Yeah. Okay, now start.
Never thought this was a spatula. Told you so, I told you so that you have to wait until it's done.
You want to grab the tongs also? The.
That's gonna be. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I don't like this thing. It's a bottle of hard work. I think we need more. It's not spreading.
Better hurry up.
I couldn't do it. It just had a very advanced time. I was slow. So we had to put more in there, and we put some of that stuff. And then Daddy's just stirring it up for me. And we're done. We had to put more food coloring in there. Now he's having some serious difficulties. Is it turning green? Instead of turning red, it's turning green. Did you get it? It was a movie called Turning Red.
Oh.
Instead of turning red, it's turning green. It was going to turn blue, but we changed it to green because it looked more like seaweed. It kind of does. But we probably need more color. Is it spreading? You sure?
Some ways.
We need more?
I'm sure this could have been done better. But no, I think you're gonna put your green stuff on it now. Your
The green food color?
seaweed. No, your
You have?
No, your You have one open?
This is already open. Okay. This is all the stuff we need.
You gonna cut it or not?
Shoot that over there so I can cut it. I like smashing. I'm going to get like a knife or something.
Espera, tenés un cuchillo ahí enfrente. En el
But I need a sharp one.
en el plato. Este
This one.
es filoso.
This one like this. Read it. I need this one. Fine. It's right here. Time. Cut it.
Pero los dedos.
You have cut them into very small pieces. Wish we could just blend it. But this is all hand. It's not a challenge or anything. I don't want this to be all hand. It's the best thing we can.
You ready?